Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn what is air and we will know some interesting things about air. So, do you know what is air? A-I-R, air. Do you know what is air? No. Okay, I will tell you. Air is a mixture of many gases which is there everywhere around us. But can we understand it? No. Why? Because we cannot see air. We cannot touch air. We cannot see air. We cannot, yes, touch air. It is a kind of gas. It's a mixture of many gases which is present everywhere around us. Now you can open your general knowledge textbook, which is this EduLine Learning Edge General Knowledge, and turn to page number 20. The name of the chapter is About Air. What's the name of the chapter? About air. Very good. Now just see, there is an exercise which is given for you to solve. Before solving this, you tell me a few things. Is there air everywhere? Tell. Yes, the answer is yes. Air is everywhere. Can we see air? No, we can't see air. Can we touch air? No, 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 no. We can't even touch air. Yes, it is in the form of gas. Can you see any kind of gas? No. So, let us solve this now. It's going to be very interesting. Look at the columns A and B. Tick the correct options. What you are to do? You are to tick the correct options in all these boxes. Which is the correct one? You will put a tick mark on that one. Number 1. We cannot see air, but it is everywhere. Is it? Yes, number 1 is also done for you. It is true. And also just remember, just recall what I have said. We cannot see air, but it is present everywhere around us. Yes, everywhere around us there is air. Number 2. Clean air is colorless. Clean air is colorless. Can you see air? No. So, does it have any color? If it would have any color, any kind of color, then we would definitely see it. So, does air have any color? No. So, the answer will be clean air is colorless. Yes, true. Put a tick mark like this. Yes, see, like this you put a tick on the correct option. Next is moving air is called. Moving air is called thunder or wind. Which one? Say, moving air is called wind. Very good. It will be wind. Put a tick mark on the correct option, which is wind. Next you see, dirty air is healthy or unhealthy? Dirty air, which one? Dirty means it's not good for us, no? Yes, dirty means, is it clean? No, no, it's not clean. Dirty means it's not good for us. So, is it healthy? No, it is unhealthy. Very good. It is unhealthy. Put a tick mark on the correct option, unhealthy. It breathes air. This dog or this house, which one? Which breathes air? Who breathes air? Living beings or non-living beings? Living beings, yes. We living beings, we breathe air. We breathe in air. So, it breathes air. Which one? Dog or house? Dog. Very good. Next, you see, we blow air into this rainbow or balloon. Which one? We blow air means we with our mouth or with a kind of machine we blow in air into it. Which one? Rainbow or balloon? Yes, balloon. Very good. It will be balloon. Put a tick mark on the correct option. It is making the air dirty. Now, what is making the air dirty? Do you know? This smoke or the tree? Which one? Smoke or the tree? Just look at the picture. Which is making the air dirty? Smoke. Very good. Tree does not make the air dirty. Tree always cleans the air and makes it suitable for us to breathe in. Very good. It flies in the air. Kite or tortoise? Tortoise flies in the air. No. Which one? Kite. Yes, it will be kite. Kite flies in the air. Wind makes it move. Now, what makes wind makes which one to move? This is called a windmill and this is an aeroplane. Windmill, it yes, it moves with the help of wind. Yes, windmill makes wind makes windmill move. Okay, this is the correct option. It needs air to live. To live means to survive. Which one needs air? Ball or this insect? Which one needs air to survive? Ball. Does it survive? This ball, does it survive? No. This is a living being. It survives. So, this insect needs air to breathe. Put a tick mark. See? See the options. We cannot, I am repeating this again for you. We cannot see air but it is everywhere. True. Clean air is colorless. True. Moving air is called wind. Dirty air is unhealthy. It breathes air. Dog. We blow air into it. Balloon. It is making the air dirty. Smoke. It flies in the air. Kite. Wind makes it move. Windmill. It needs air to live. Insect. Yes. So, we got to know many things about air now. Yes. Was it interesting? Yes, I know. So, see here, there is a question for you. Can you hold air in your hands? Can we hold air in our hands? No. Why? Because it is not closely packed together. The molecules means air is very loosely packed. That is why it is there everywhere but we cannot catch it. Can you catch air and keep in your hand? Can you? No, because it is very dense. It means the molecules are very loosely packed. It is not very hard. It is not solid. It is not a hard substance so that we can keep it in our hand. We cannot keep air in our hand. See, we cannot keep air in our hand. So, the answer will be N-O. No. See here. Imagine how another fun game is given for you. Imagine how air would look if it was visible. Complete the rhyme on air. Far or near, air is far or, yes, it is a rhyming word. Yes, you have to put here one rhyming word. Far or near, air is everywhere. Very good. Far or near, air is everywhere. Yes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.